Here we have a 1988 Yamaha XT350. These are really great bikes, really reliable, fun to ride, easy to ride bikes. Good workhorses. Getting harder and harder to find and to find parts for. This one is all painted black, even the seat. I've had a couple of bikes lately where people think they're in a Mad Max movie and paint everything. It's got a Super Trap IDS2 exhaust. Nice sound, kind of a nice rap, but not too loud. Rims are good, chain and sprockets, brakes are good, ran through the gears really well. Tires are not real great. Front tire's decent. Rear tire could be replaced. Controls are all decent except clutch lever the ball is broke off of, and one of the switches, the turn signal switch, is missing the cap on it. 2 keys, works in all the stuff. Wisconsin titled bike from here in Wisconsin. I got that all taken care of. Choke it and let you hear it run. It is 16,215 mile bike. Let me keep going here. Oops, turn the key on first.